Hey there, and thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to change or set your profile photo on the chess.com app using your Android phone. This step-by-step tutorial is simple and easy, perfect for both new users and regular players who want to update their profile. Look, first, open the chess.com app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the option labeled More. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, tap on Profile to open your account information. Now, tap on your current profile picture or the picture placeholder. Once the menu appears, tap Choose Photo. Next, your phone's gallery will open. Scroll through and select the photo you'd like to use. Finally, click the OK icon at the top right corner of your screen to confirm your new profile photo. That's all it takes to update your profile photo in the chess.com app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.